I've kind of become immune to coffee now. It doesn't really work very well.
Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, bit of a fail of a morning this morning. I got up early, 3, for work and stuff, so went off to work, and then I came back. I did a bit of overtime as well, but I came back. And if you guys have been watching us for a long time, you know how much washing up is dreaded by the two of us. And I was like, you know what, Michaela's got a dissertation, so I will do it. So I braved everyone's washing up, the whole house is washing up, and I just did like the biggest wash up job ever. I got everything done, and then afterwards I was like, you know what, I'm gonna come upstairs, I'm gonna do an itty bit of work, did an itty bit of work, and then I went to sleep because I was vamoosed, if that's the word. I was knackered, I was shattered. Then I got up at maybe, what, 3 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock? I think it was 2 or 3 o'clock. Yeah, most of the day was gone, and I forgot to wake Michaela up. So Michaela only got up at like just past lunchtime, and she's got a lot of her dissertation to do, so that probably wasn't the best call. But she is downstairs at the moment doing her dissertation. I've just got us both some lunch, which is some lovely rolls. So I'm going to have some nice warm rolls, as is Michaela downstairs, and then she's going to crack on with her dissertation, get all of that done. I think I have a lot to be doing. I don't know what I'm gonna actually do. I still need to get on top of that, but either way, it's going to be uni work. We're still bogged down in uni work. I think we have 2 weeks until the end. Check this out, I've been marking it off. And look at that. Yeah, that is rather crazy. Just like 2 weeks left, and then that's it. That's Michaela and my stay at university pretty much done. I mean, we're gonna have such good time though. Like, as soon as all the assignments are in, we will finally be able to see people and talk to people and be like, hello.
Good afternoon, guys. Sam has just gone out for a run, and I have just grabbed myself some vanilla coffee, which I have not become addicted to, but I found myself drinking at least one of these every day for the last maybe week or so, and it's just really to try and keep myself awake and to try and make myself focus. Although I've kind of become immune to coffee now, it doesn't really work very well, but yeah, I'm going to try this anyway because I'm very exhausted right now. But yeah, I have been working on my dissertation pretty much all day. I'm not really much closer to finishing my literature review, and I need it done by today, so I'm going to be staying up all night and hopefully finishing it today. And yeah, today's just been one of those days where I woke up not really in a good mood, and I've just wanted to sleep all day and just relax all day, and I can't do that because I don't really have any days that I can waste like that. So I'm having to push through, and I'm keeping myself company with like playing music and playing films and YouTube videos and stuff in the background while I write, and it's actually working, so that's good. But yeah, when Sam gets back from his run, I think he's going to be making us some dinner, and he's putting on pizza and garlic bread, so I'm going to be chomping away at that and working on my dissertation and hopefully getting this done. I need it done right now. If I could click my fingers and have it done. I can't click with my left hand, I can with my right hand, but if I could click my fingers, then I would, and it would be done, and that would be amazing. But it doesn't work like that, unfortunately, and I have to work on this to get a good grade and to get it done. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep powering on and wait for Sam to get home to make us dinner. Sam got back from his run and we got dinner and everything, and then he went to bed, and I've been down here working on my dissertation. And I know I keep saying that I'm gonna stay up until I get it done, but I haven't done that, unfortunately. It is just gone past 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm not gonna stay up any longer. I'm just going to put it to rest for the night, and then I'm going to do it tomorrow and finish it tomorrow, and I will finish it tomorrow. Like I have been saying, I will finish it today and today and today, like for the last week or so, but tomorrow I'll definitely have it finished. And yeah, the main reason I'm actually going to bed right now is usually I'd stay up until like maybe 6 o'clock in the morning, can't even speak, and then wake up like a couple of hours later. But I actually have really bad toothache. I woke up this morning with my wisdom tooth coming in at the bottom here, and yeah, throughout the day I've been applying Bonjela to it, and then my wisdom teeth at the top, this side, is starting to bug me. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now, finish this literature review finally tomorrow, then in the afternoon tomorrow, well actually it'll probably be the evening by the time I finished it, but yeah, around the evening or the night time I'll be reading over my literature review, correcting parts of it, then finally sending it off to my supervisor, and probably tomorrow as well starting on my next section, which is the methodology. So yeah, that's probably going to be my day tomorrow, just literature review and starting in the methodology. But yeah, enough of me speaking about my dissertation. I am going to go to bed now. Hopefully I get a good kind of 4 or 5 hours sleep. I really don't want any more sleep than that, because I need to spend as much time as I possibly can tomorrow at finishing my literature review, reading it over, and then sending it to my supervisor kind of at a respectable hour, although I'm sure he won't mind me sending an email at like midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning, because he won't see it until Monday anyway. Well, Monday I'd hope. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna head off in a minute, but this morning we actually had an eclipse, or well, I suppose we were supposed to have an eclipse, but unfortunately in Winchester we could not see it because it was just clouds upon clouds covering the moon and the sun. So that kind of sucked. I kind of woke up at 8 o'clock, looked outside, couldn't see the sun, so I went back to bed until like 11. So that wasn't fun. But yeah, we're gonna go now, we're gonna go submit my assignment and then go to the shop.